Good morning, guys. You have reached Regina TV, and today we are tackling these brows, y'all. It is early in the morning. I am trying to get ready for my day, but I'm going to tell you, if you have been looking at the videos between both channels, Regina TV and Regina's Way, y'all see that we are elevating our whole look. Now, today I got up, I did one brow. As you see, I have filled it in, and now I am shaping it. Y'all know we've been trying to get rid of all this makeup and just get our everyday look together. And this is one of the things that has been really successful, shaping my brows like this. Now today I'll be showing you all everything that I'm using, but I don't use this stuff every day. But today, for example, what I'm filling in my brows with is a Ruby Kiss eyebrow pencil. Yeah, an inexpensive Ruby Kiss eyebrow pencil. And we're just filling it in. But one of the things that used to bother me, y'all, is being able to see the hair in my eyebrow that didn't match the pencil. So watch this. Once I fill my eyebrow in with a Ruby Kiss pencil, I'll take a spoolie and I will dip it in my foundation. And this is a cheap and inexpensive and easy way, y'all, to lighten up your brow without bleaching it. So on days when I don't want to have a dark brow, this is what I do. And if you look at it, that hair just disappears and matches with the pencil. Now y'all know that I am full of tips and tricks on this channel. So y'all gonna have to go back and check out both channels, Regina TV and Regina's Way. All right, here y'all, I am using up a foundation that I had, but you know, your skin tone change. So I am just going through my makeup, playing with my makeup, seeing what I want to keep, seeing what I want to get rid of. And this, I'm on the fence with this foundation. This is a Fit Me foundation, okay? And I am just outlining my brows with it. You know, a lot of people use concealers and things of that nature. I use what works. I use what works. Now, one of the things that I do like about this, you all, is you see how it just disappears. It disappears. Most people go underneath their brow with like a concealer, a lighter concealer to highlight the underbrow. But y'all also know that we are trying to become minimalist in every way. In every way, y'all. So lately, I've been downsizing on a lot of things. Now look at that brow. That's flawless. Flawless. Now let's just, do the other brow, y'all. All right, so here I'm filling in the other brow, and I start low in the front, y'all. I start low, and I'm going to tell you, when I get rid of that hair that I used to hang on to, is that y'all scared to like plug or trim your brows, because if you don't feel like putting on your brows, one day you will still look normal because you got brows on your face. Well, I have learned, y'all, I have learned that it doesn't matter for me. I am going to do my brows every day. I don't like how my brows is not as full as I would like them to be. How you see this other brow over here on my face is how I like for my brows to be. My brows don't grow that way. So I can do something about it, and I am. So every day, y'all, I get up and I fill in my brow. I fill in my brow, so why not make it easy? Now, one of the things that used to make my brows hard to do, and I used to spend so much time, y'all, is the fact that I didn't get rid of that unnecessary hair because I was trying to get my brow to grow in like that. So that's another tip that I want to tell you all. I have another tip to tell you all. Now here, this spoolie that I'm using, you all, I love it. And this spoolie is from mascara. Always keep, well, I always keep my spoolie from my mascaras because I don't know, they just better for me. You have a handle on it, it's just better. I really like it. So every time I finish a mascara, I will wash out that spoolie and I will use it. It just seems like it just distributes, the pencil or whatever you're using evenly. So I am just repeating the same process on the other brow. But like I said before, it all depends on what you want to do, y'all. It all depends on what you want to do. Like I said, this morning I have gotten up, I am filling in my brow, and because I have made these decisions on, okay, this is the way I want my brow to be, this is a shape that I want my brow to be. I don't need this hair here, so I am going to shave. And later on in this video, I am going to give you another option on how you can, deal with hair that grows in your brow or around your brow that you may not want. Now, y'all, I read y'all comments and everything, and that's one of the reasons why I am bringing you all this video. You all have been asking about my brow routine, and so by this time, I hope you have considered subscribing. So do not forget that comment, like, subscribe, and share. So let's get back to this eyebrow tutorial because it has made my life so much easier. Now, guys, look at these eyebrows. One is higher, one is lower. Our eyebrows are sisters, not twins. But you could either lower your face or raise your face with how you shape your brows. So now I have to decide which brow looks good. I like this one over here. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to fill in my brows and shape it up with this Fit Me foundation. The number on this foundation is 330. And I do like it for shaping up my brows. Now I'm going to tell you, everything that I'm using you can get at your local beauty supply store or Walgreens or Walmart. These are inexpensive things, but they make my eyebrows look like $1,000,000. So I know for a fact that this is the shape that I want to keep, and that's why I was trimming and grooming my eyebrows as I went. You all, I am using a magnifying mirror. It's a two-way magnifying mirror, and this helps me really see my skin, which I will be bringing y'all a video on that. It may be on my other channel, Regina's Way, but I will be bringing it. Okay, so I'm checking out my brows, and now I have to tackle this hair. The next video, I may be cutting my hair, you all, or styling it. I'm on the fence about that, but the hair is growing fast. I hope y'all have been looking at the videos, looking at all the products and things that I use to grow and style my hair, because this hair is growing fast. So I'm just looking at my brows, you all, and I'm seeing where I need to shape them up to make them look more even. And what I am using is a magnifying mirror. It's a two-sided magnifying mirror. One side is the regular mirror, and the other side, when you flip it, it magnifies. So, now I am just looking at the hair that's up there. Now, if you're thinking about keeping this hair, or you may want this hair later on, down the road, you all, then this is the tool to use. Just shave it off. But if you're not sure about the shape, y'all, I would say either use a shaver or a tweezer. Well, that's about it. I'm just going to sit up here and finish shaping up my brows and cleaning up the hair around them now that we have the perfect shape. But you have reached Regina TV. Thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and hype the videos, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are loving my content. Also, support me on my other channel, Regina's Way. Over there, we do fashion shows and hacks and home decors. You're going to love that channel. So support both channels, guys, and be looking out with what I do with this hair and nails in the next video. Mwah.